Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with the other interview question. So today, guys, I have a question from the lead code. As you all know, that lead code provides you a very interesting and beginner level, medium level, or hard level questions. So I got this question from the website of lead code. Okay, so what what is the question? So this is the question of basically we have a logs ID in this table and we want to generate this type of output. Okay, so this is the pattern. Like in the start ID, we have values like 1, 7, 10, and in the end ID, we have 3, 8, 10. So we have to generate two columns from this table. Okay. Then accordingly, we have to figure out how to get these rows. Okay. So let's do this. All right. So first of all, what we have to do is we will generate another column. All right. So like we will generate few rows. We'll assign few row numbers to each row. All right, so for row number we have a row number function and we'll use over clause, and in the over clause we're going to use order by clause. Okay, in order by clause we give log id. Okay, so we'll give row numbers according to the log id. Now we'll give the number, name of this column, and what we're gonna do here is now we're gonna create some groups here. All right, group. Okay, so for example, if we'll take the difference of each value and of each row, so we'll have the same difference, and the same difference is all about the group. Okay, so for example, if we'll subtract 1 minus 1, then it will be 0. 2 minus 2, it will be 0. 3 minus 2, 3, it will be 0. Okay, 7 minus 4, 7. Okay, 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So that means all the values were having the same difference values, so that will create a one group of the same value, and will take the one value of the minimum and one value of the maximum. For example, this is a zero group. Okay, so what is the minimum, what is the maximum value of this group, what is the minimum value of this group, which is log id 1, and what is the maximum value of this group, which is 3. So this is the output we have. Okay, so this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. All right, so likewise 7 minus 4 equals to 3 and 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So 3 is a group. Okay, so what is the minimum value of this group? 7. And what is the maximum value of this group? 8. Okay, so like we have the one group left, which is 10. Okay, so what is the minimum? 10. And what is the maximum value of this group? 10. Okay, so let me take you to there. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is we'll create a difference of that, like log id minus, we'll subtract this whole thing. Okay, we'll put in this. Okay, now, all right, this is the difference. All right, now we'll create a ct here and we'll generate the sequence. Select from ct. Okay, so now we're going to use the group by clause. Okay, so group by clause, for that we have the diff column and we're going to create the group of this column. All right, so we're going to use the group by diff, and what we're going to do here is minimum of the log id. Okay, and maximum value of the log id. All right, that's all. This is the output in front of you. Start. This is the end. Okay, all right, so this is a very simple query. You have just need a logic. Okay, so what we have done, we have just assigned the row numbers to the every row. Okay, and after generating the row numbers, after assigning the row numbers to the every row, what we have done subtraction from the actual values to the row number. Okay, and after that we just created the group from the difference table and we got the output. We have created the groups, and from that group we have generated the minimum value and the maximum value. Okay, so that's all we did. All right, so if you have a better solution than this, and so please share that output with me. Okay, and so I would be happy to see your response. Okay, so I'll welcome all of your feedback. All right, thank you so much guys for your time.